I'm gonna make 2 sandwiches.
I guarantee you're not gonna take a bite and be like, this is better than mayonnaise. Show the footage, bitch.
Make CQC sandwich.
Okay. I'm with you so
Yeah.
far.
You able to see this here? There's bread, mustard right here. Huh? Okay.
Stop this. It's not too late to stop and learn your mistakes.
Okay.
Gotta put more. Don't be a bitch, you gotta put more.
Okay.
Oh no. You're gonna just waste a good pieces of bread, a good peanut butter, and good mustard.
I
Austin.
am confident I will enjoy this more than I will a normal sandwich with mayonnaise on it.
Austin, you don't have to do this. You don't have to fucking do this, alright?
It's happening. I am only doing this out of spite for mayonnaise.
That's the most petty shit I ever heard. Alright, show the 2 pieces of bread in front of the camera. Oh no! 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 Ow!
Alright.
Oh no! Why would you make 2 sandwiches? That's a waste.
That isn't bad. Let's put a little bit of this on there now, huh?
No, that's not how it works. It's not gonna automatically make it better. You already made an abomination.
Oh yeah, now the truth is coming out, huh?
No! You were doomed from the start. That's not how it works. No! No! No!
Listen, okay? Okay?
That's fucking disgusting. How do you like it, bro? Does it taste good?
With mayonnaise. Without mayonnaise.
Austin.
This one's pretty good.
Austin, science has gone too far. You've gone too far.
Listen, the only thing that made this sandwich bad was the fact that I decided to put mayonnaise, a little bit of mayonnaise, on one of them.
Jesus. That's what you need. You need Jesus from the sin you just committed. Dude, what you've done is unforgivable. Do you understand?
Yeah. I put a little bit of this on one of the sandwiches. That's the unforgivable part.
You fucking asshole. Stop. I want to tell your father what you just did.
Listen, all I'm saying is this isn't too bad.
No, it is. It is. Stop.
Without mayonnaise.
Oh my fucking god. Austin, you're sick in the head. You know that? You got something wrong up here in the coconut. You know what I mean?
Listen, I would rather drink mustard than drink mayonnaise.
Nobody's forcing you to drink anything. You didn't need to make fucking peanut butter and mustard sandwiches.
Rather eat literally anything than something with mayonnaise on it.
Everyone's gonna see this and know what a sick fuck you are. Do you understand?
Listen, there's nothing wrong with me just because I don't like mayonnaise.